Hello everyone, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to start next chapter, that is forms of market. This presentation will be covered introduction, definition of market, classification of market. There are three classification of market on the basis of place, on the basis of time, and on the basis of competition. In this presentation we will discuss only two topics, that is on the basis of place and time. Introduction. Market is generally understood as a particular place or locality where goods are sold and purchased. But in economics, market refers to an arrangement through which buyers and sellers come in contact with each other directly or indirectly, and exchange of goods and services takes place among them. Means market is a system where buyers and sellers come into contact for the transaction of goods and services. Next is definition of market. According to Augustin Cournot, economists understand the term market not any particular marketplace in which things are bought and sold, but the whole of any region in which buyers and sellers are in such a close contact with one another that the price of the same goods tend to equality easily and quickly. Means market definition is a tool of to identify and define the boundaries of the competition of a market. Thus market is a network of dealings between potential buyers and potential sellers. At any point of time, a market will exist if there are buyers and sellers, if there are a product or service to be bought and sold, price of the product, close contact between buyers and sellers, and knowledge about the market. Classification of market on the basis of place, that is local, national and international. On the basis of time, that is very short period, long period and very long period. And the third classification is competition. On the basis of competition, there are two parts: perfect competition and imperfect competition, and again three parts: monopoly, oligopoly and monopolistic competition. In this presentation we discuss only two classifications, that is place and time. On the basis of place, that is first point is local market. Local market is a market in which sellers sell and customers buy a product in the region or area in which it is produced. For example, the seller, for example, vegetables or perishable goods, that is vegetable, fruits, and in this area, means local market is a market in which sellers sell and customers buy a product in the region or area. Means in this market they usually sell perishable goods of daily use, since the transport of such goods can be expensive. Next is national market. National market is a domestic market in a given country. Each national market is governed by the regulation of its own country. Means this is when the demand for the goods is limited to one specific country, right? Or the government may not allow the trade of such goods outside national boundaries. For example, total demand for greeting cards, total demand for jam, etc. Next is international market. International market is a worldwide market in which buyers and sellers trade in goods and services across the national borders. Means when the demand for the product is international and the goods are sold also traded internationally in bulk quantities, we call it an international market. Next is on the basis of time. First is very short period. Very short period, see the pictures, fish market and vegetable market, right? Very short period is a period in which supply is fixed and price is determined by the demand. right? The time period is for a few days or weeks in which the supply of commodity cannot be increased. For example, market for flowers, market for fruits, vegetables. The price of goods will be depend on demand. Next is short period. Short period is a period of less than 1 year. In this period, firms can only make adjustments in inputs like labor to increase the supply of goods and services. For example, books, stationery, etc. Means in this market, the supply can be slightly adjusted. Right? Short period is a period of less than 1 year. So that supply can be slightly adjusted in this market. Next is long period. Long run is a period of time in which all factors of production, as we know, all factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Long run is a period of time in which all factors of production and cost are variable. In the long run, firms are able to adjust cost generally up to 5 years. For example, car market, computer market, as we see the picture here, the supply can be changed easily by scaling production. So it can change according to the demand of the market. The supply of commodity can be increased or decreased. What I said, the supply of commodity can be increased or decreased. The price of product may be vary from time to time and day to day. Next is on the basis of time, that is fourth point, very long period. It is a production time that is so long. It is a production time that is so long that all inputs are variable. It is of more than 15 years. It is of more than 15 years. See the example, aeroplane market, heavy machinery market. That is a very long period. It deals in durable goods, right? It is deals in durable goods. In this market, both demand and supply can be changed. See the assignment. Here I show you assignment. First question is define national market. You have to explain it in 3 or 4 lines. National market. Second is long period of market, and third is very short period market. Okay. Then second question is differentiate between. First is local market and international market. You have to write at least 2 points with examples. And the second question is very long period and very short period. You write this assignment in your notebook. Okay.